Pete here with Springer Realty Group. We're looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, 103 Lexington Way. Nice thing about this condo is it is a end unit. It also has the extended loft that can be used as a 3rd bedroom. The HOA here takes care of all the exterior maintenance as well as the roof. There's plenty of room to parking, and you're right across the street from the clubhouse. Let's go check out this unit. All right, coming into the unit here, you notice a vinyl plank flooring. It's an open concept for the kitchen, small dinette area. You have your breakfast nook. The appliances that are here are included. So you have your stainless steel fridge, range, dishwasher. You do have a wood fireplace, which recently has been serviced. And I did mention your backyard deck, which is nice. And it does have stairs so you can go outside. We'll look at that later. Let's go look at the loft next. You have high ceilings. So the loft gives you the option of having a 3rd bedroom, large office, or another area. I know this place is big enough for a pool table if you wanted one of those. You have attic storage. So there's a pull-down attic for storage. And then there's even more room and an enclosed storage area. So all this is enclosed. These features are not on other units. Just the larger loft units that have them. So let's go check downstairs. So the first floor here, you have a primary bathroom, which is not a master. Master does have its own bathroom. It's a nice size room here. Your primary bathroom. This is the hall to the master. So you have your laundry here. And then of course your master. Your master does have a vaulted ceiling. Gives you a great view. No backyard neighbors, which is nice. You have a hall. You have a closet. And then of course your flooring. Another nice thing about this unit is you do have a rear balcony deck, and it's surrounded by trees, so it does give you a little bit of privacy if you want to be back here. So you can walk back here, relax, and if you want a short walk to get to the gas station or shopping, it's right down the street. So if you're interested in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath loft condo in Morgantown, give me a call, 610-209-9219. It's Pete at 610-209-9219. Look forward to hearing from you soon.